Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa para pupusas, only way. Start by washing tomatoes and chopping them coarsely, then dice onion and cilantro. Add a splash of vinegar and a pinch of salt, then pulse gently in a blender to keep some texture. Taste and adjust seasoning by adding more vinegar or salt if needed. Serve slightly chilled to complement warm pupusas and enjoy a bright, balanced salsa. Begin by chopping everything into similar sizes so the blender works evenly and you keep a pleasant chunkiness. Pulse in short bursts rather than blending continuously to avoid turning the salsa into a smooth sauce. After pulsing, transfer to a bowl and stir in finely chopped cilantro and extra vinegar if it needs brightness. Let the salsa rest at room temperature for a few minutes so flavors marry before serving with hot pupusas. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and hit like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. I use the Owala water bottle to stay hydrated during long cooking sessions, and it's handy for kitchen timers and prep breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals on items mentioned in the video, and consider grabbing one if it fits your routine. Now let's get back to the video. When serving, aim for a contrast of temperature and texture by offering the salsa slightly chilled against hot pupusas. Provide small bowls of chopped cilantro and lime wedges so diners can tweak brightness and herbiness to taste. If you have leftovers, place the salsa in an airtight container and refrigerate, using it within 3 days for peak freshness. This salsa also pairs well with other Central American dishes and makes a versatile condiment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.